Tagalog.
3 words.
Tagalog, Tagalog. O, Tagalog. English.
Taglish.
English.
English.
Tagalog, Taglish.
English.
English.
English. Okay.
Third word.
Three words.
Third word.
Third syllable, third word.
Bakla.
Gay.
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 Sounds like o gay sakto?
Gay.
Sakto.
Gay.
Sakto. Second word. Na.
Open. Sit down. Katibay! Idol! Idol!
Galing talaga ni Ben!
Name.
Name mo.
Ben.
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 Benmar.
Benmar.
Mar. Marcopio.
First syllable yun ng first word.
Marshall!
Okay. Yung second syllable, Marshall,
Marcos.
Mark Tagalog. Marcos.
is gay.
Marcos.
50
Ako?
seconds!
Ikaw! Bakla! Marlboro.
Marbori.
Nico.
Tama.
Marshall Guy.
Rojas.
40 seconds.
Second syllable ng first word.
Sounds like.
Ang
Pagkain.
eat.
Food.
Food.
Menu.
Cheap.
30 seconds.
Kanin. Rice. Meal.
Tangina naman.
Bulak. Steak.
Gay yung
Pork.
third word eh. Gay.
Gay.
Second word.
Second word.
20 seconds.
Gay. Jingle eyes.
Jingle.
Second word.
Jingle
Chill.
Chillax.
Enjoy.
10 seconds.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Margova Comfort Food.